welcome back again in our GK class. Today we are going to start famous buildings and languages we speak in GK subject. Famous buildings. A building tells us about a lot about country's culture and way of life during the period it was built. These are the most iconic buildings of all time. Humans always have their many interesting stories to tell, but buildings have much more than that. They have the countless stories of generation of humans along with their own. These stories teach us about the history of the world. So kids, today we are going to learn about these iconic buildings. So let us start famous buildings. The given pieces of information are about some famous buildings of the world. So kids, here we have to find out the answers from the help box. So number 1, the MPs of India sit in the building and make laws for the country. It is known as dash. So kids, what is the answer? Yes, it's a parliament. Number 2, it is the official residence of the President of India. It is known as dash. So kids, which is the official residence of the President of India? Yes, the answer is Rashtrapati Bhavan. Third one is, it is a magnificent gate built in the memory of soldiers who sacrificed their lives in war, and it is situated in New Delhi. So kids, which gate is this? India Gate, and it is situated in New Delhi. Fourth one, this palace is the London residence of the monarch queen of the United Kingdom. So kids, which palace is this? Yes, Buckingham Palace. Number 5, built near the Sydney Harbour in Australia, the dash is a famous performance venue for the arts. So kids, this building is built in harbour in Australia, and it is very famous for the venue of arts. So what is the answer? Yes, Opera House. Sixth one, the dash originally called the Victoria Terminus, and it is the main railway station in Mumbai. So kids, which is the main railway station in Mumbai? Yes, Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus. Next one, the dash is a New York skyscraper that was the world's tallest building for 40 years. And it is famous as the building that King Kong climbs in film. So it is the famous and tallest building for 40 years in New York. So what is the answer? Empire State Building. Number 8. They are the tallest twin towers in the world. They are called dash. So kids, what is the answer? Yes, Petronas Twin Towers. Number 9, the dash is a famous 5-pointed building complex that serves as the headquarters of the United States Department of Defense. So it is a 5-pointed building complex. So what is the answer? Yes, it's Pentagon. Now kids, this is all about famous buildings. Now kids, tell me, do all human beings think in a similar way? No, each one thinks in a different way. So, India is a multicultural nation. It is a land of many languages. Every region in India speaks a different language. Language helps us express our ideas, feelings, desires and queries to the world around us. So kids, today we are going to learn about the languages spoken in different regions. So let us start. Number 1, script used in Punjabi language by the people of Punjab. So the people of Punjab are using Gurmukhi language. Number 2, official language of Kerala. It's a Malayalam. Number 3, oldest language of the world. So kids, which is the oldest language of the world? It's Sanskrit. Fourth one, give an example of the Dravidian language. So here Tamil is the example of Dravidian language. Number 5, which language did Ashoka the Great use in his stone edicts? So which language he was using in his stone edicts? Yes, it's a Prakrit language. Number 6, official language of Jammu and Kashmir. So which is the official language of Jammu and Kashmir? Urdu. Next one, official language of Goa, which is also spoken in Maharashtra and Karnataka. So official language of Goa is Konkani. Eighth one, in which language was the first Bible composed? It's Hebrew. Next one, language spoken by people of Andhra Pradesh. So people of Andhra Pradesh are speaking Telugu language. Number 10, language spoken by the people of West Bengal. So people of West Bengal are using Bengali language. So kids, this is all about language we speak. Thank you. Bye bye.